Welcome to this Japanese massage-inspired relaxation session focused on a calm mind soundscape. This video creates a peaceful, spa-like atmosphere using soft ambient sounds and gentle rhythm. The intention is mental calm, emotional balance, and deep relaxation, not medical treatment or therapy. A calm soundscape supports mindfulness and inner stillness. In this session, subtle tones and quiet textures encourage the mind to slow down naturally. As you listen, allow your breathing to become steady and relaxed. Each sound is designed to feel soft, warm, and unobtrusive. The gentle audio flow helps release mental tension and daily stress. This experience is ideal for meditation, study, sleep preparation, or quiet rest. There is nothing you need to focus on or follow. Simply listen and rest. Let go of noise, pressure, and distraction. Enjoy this peaceful moment inspired by Japanese massage traditions. Allow your mind to feel clear, calm, and deeply relaxed.